I am Anil Kumar. Welcome to my YouTube channel and the website Global Math Institute. In this video, we'll take up another test question based on quadratic functions. I hope you are enjoying the series and learning a lot. Feel free to send your comments and suggestions. You can also contact me directly to learn from me at globalmathinstitute@gmail.com. The question here is: the function f of x is equal to mx squared minus 2mx. M is not equal to 0, m belongs to real numbers, and the line y equals to mx minus 9 meets the graph of f at exactly 1 point. Find the value of m. So that is first part. Once you find the value of m, then the question is extended to: the function f can be expressed as f of x equals to a times x minus p times x minus q. Find the value of a, p, and q. So that is the factored form of the same equation. And in part C, the function can be expressed in the vertex form: a x minus h squared plus k. Find the value of a, h, and k. You can always pause the video, answer the question, and then look into my suggestions. Let me thank all the viewers and subscribers for watching my videos, posting excellent comments. We have been serving you absolutely free for more than 15 years with 17,000 plus videos now. Okay, great. So let's look into the solutions one by one. The very first one is to find the value of m, right, given the condition. So we're given that f of x is equal to mx squared minus 2mx, and we are also given that the line y equals to mx minus 9 meets the graph at exactly 1 point. So if I equate this to the equation of line, which is mx minus 9, what do I expect? Well, I expect a quadratic equation which will have only one solution, right? So this should have only one solution. Why? Because it is tangent, right? So there is only one solution to it, right? Exactly 1 point it intersects. So that becomes the key for the solution of this particular question. Now I think it is absolutely clear. You can reorganize and then find the solution, the value of m. So let's do that. So we have mx squared minus 2mx. Bringing all the terms to the left hand side, we get this equation. Combine the like terms, right? So we get mx squared minus 3mx plus 9 equals to 0. Now we have a quadratic equation. How do we solve it? Well, let's apply the quadratic formula, right? That is one way to do it. So we could write x as equal to minus b. So in this case, minus b will be 3m, right? Plus or minus square root of b squared, which is 9m squared. Minus 4ac means 4 times 9, 36m. Is it clear to you? Divided by 2a, so 2 times m. So that becomes the value of x. I hope it is absolutely clear. And one solution means that the discriminant, which is b squared minus 4ac, should be equal to 0, right? So the discriminant, which is 9m squared minus 36m, that should be equal to 0. Factor out 9m, so you get m minus 4 equals to 0. That gives you two solutions, and m equals to 4 is a valid solution since we know that m is not equal to 0. That is given in the condition itself. So we get the value of m. Perfect. Now with that value of m, we can write down the function itself, And the function now is f of x equals to 4m squared minus 4 times 2, 8, 4x squared, right? It is equals to 4x squared minus 8x. So that becomes the function. Perfect. Now with that, f of x as 4x squared minus 8x, m equals to 4. Let's continue and write the solutions for the next two. Perfect. So I'm rewriting the value of m. We just found that m was uh, equal to 4, and therefore the equation was f of x equals to 4x squared minus 8x, right? Now, this equation 4x squared minus 8x should be written in the factored form. That's what we need, right? So let's rewrite this equation. So f of x is equal to 4x squared minus 8x. We can factor out 4x, and what we get here is x minus 2. So that becomes the factored form of this particular equation. And clearly from here, we have a equals to 4, p equals to 0, and q equals to 2. Makes sense? So that becomes the equation in the factored form, right? Now, let's take up the last question, which is writing it in the vertex form. I hope the things are absolutely clear. Feel free to write your comments, share your views. If you want to learn from me directly, send an email to globalmathinstitute@gmail.com. So let's again work with our original equation, which is 4x squared minus 8x, and this time write it in the vertex form, right? So we have f of x equals to 4x squared minus 8x. We need to write in the vertex form so we can factor out 4. That is the process, correct? And now we can do half of the coefficient of x, add and subtract its square, right? So that is plus 1 minus 1. And this gives you a perfect square, which is x minus 1 whole square. And then we have, let me put a square brackets here, minus 1, correct? So that is f of x. We can open this bracket and rewrite the answer in the vertex form, which is f of x is 4 times x minus 1 whole square minus 4. So we have the values a equals to 4, h equals to 1, and k equals to minus 4, correct? So that becomes a parabola with a vertex at 1 minus 4, correct? Opening up, so that becomes the absolute minimum value, so the range is greater than equal to minus 4. So I hope with this you understand how do we actually solve a question based on quadratic equation with different conditions and also write it in different forms. So we have written it on standard form as given to us, finding the value of m, in factored form, and also in the vertex form after doing completing the squares method. I hope it find it useful. Feel free to write a comment, share your views, and also send an email on the address globalmathinstitute@gmail.com to learn more and excel. We can be part of your success story. Thank you and all the best.